Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel for another unboxing video. Today we are ripping 2022 Panini Mosaic NFL Blaster Box. This will be my second Mosaic NFL Blaster for this year. First box wasn't that exciting, nothing big to write home about, so hopefully we'll get better from the second box. So let's get into it and see if we can pull something nice. Still waiting to pull my first Genesis. I've opened NFL, NBA, World Cup Soccer, Mosaic over the past year or two. Still no Genesis. Let's see which sport I will hit my first one, if I ever hit one. And with Panini losing their NBA, NFL license in 3 years, hopefully I can pull one before they go to Fanatics. Okay, so here are the 6 packs. Let's get started. So, 2023 NFL draft is coming up very soon. The draft class should be more exciting with, looks like maybe 4 first-round quarterbacks instead of just Kenny Pickett for 2022. But let's see if I can at least pull some Kenny Pickett here. Rashawn Slater, Najee Harris, Corey Davis, AJ Terrell, and then a rookie Devin Lloyd, and then looks like we have a green Mosaic Dawson Knox, and then a kit reporter. Next we got Tua, Brandon Ayuk, Christian Watson, rookie, James Washington for the Cowboys, and then Mike Gesicki for the Dolphins. After that, we have Russell Wilson touchdown Masters. Next, we got Jacoby Myers, and then Joe Burrow, nice Barry Sanders, David Montgomery. Got rookie Kyle Hamilton, then a green Mosaic Mac Jones. Halfway through the box, nothing too exciting. Okay, we got Dallas Goddard, Darren Waller, Tom Brady, Laviska Shenault, Donovan Peoples-Jones, and a bang George Kittle. With Sean Alexander, Harrison Smith, James Conner, rookie Travon Walker, Mathis rookie, then a green Mosaic Jamal Adams. So far, pretty disappointing. First box wasn't that good. This may be even worse than the first box. Let's see if there's any last pack magic, which I haven't had for a long time. Starting with Brad Johnson, Tony Romo, Jonathan Taylor, Marcus Mariota, and Thunderling Javonte Williams. And then lastly, to finish off, the newest New York Jet, Aaron Rodgers, will to win. So that is the box. Pretty underwhelming compared to last year. At least I pulled a case hit Tom Brady Masquerade Ballers. This year with 2 boxes, nothing exciting. So we got a George Kittle, bang, touchdown Masters, Russell Wilson, Mike Gesicki, Mosaic, Jamal Adams, green Mosaic, Javonte Williams, green Mosaic, Thunderling, Mac Jones, green Mosaic, Dawson Knox, green Mosaic, will to win Aaron Rodgers. It's hard to pick the best card from the box. They're pretty mediocre. But you win some, you lose some. Can't expect to have a case in every box. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you at the next video. Bye.